Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be doing a haul, and this haul is just a collective haul of some items that I pick up from Shein, Walmart, and also Target. So let's get right into it. So the first items, let's do it this way, are from Shein, since most of the items are from here. I got this two-piece set from Shein, and this is in a off-white color, and I got it in a size medium. I will say this kind of runs oversized, so even though I got it in a medium, it's still a bit baggy, which is fine. I love that look. I also got another corset from Shein that I feel like would go perfect with this, whether I can put it underneath this or over the top to make a complete look, and it's going to look amazing. I never love a good two-piece set because it's versatile. You can wear them together or you can wear them apart. So the next item I got is this camo pants. As you guys know, fall winter camo is trending. I got this in a large, so I'm officially a large in Shein bottoms because majority of the stuff that I got is a large on the bottom and they fit amazing. And this is in a real jeans material. It's nice and heavy, so I like that. I also love the colorway of this camo pants also, and I love that it's wide leg. And I also got this green top right here. I love this top. I've wanted this top since spring, but it was always sold out or I just forgot about it. But I got this in a medium also, and it has a nice little bow at the side and a cutout. I feel like this would be perfect for like Thanksgiving dinner or Christmas dinner with some nice jeans or some tights. This would look absolutely amazing and you're going to be comfortable, and I feel like these two together is going to look super duper amazing. Next bottom I got is these fox faux leather pants, and I got this in a large also in a nice chocolate color, and it's absolutely giving. It fits amazing. The back is so nice and stretchy. It has like an elastic band in the back, so it's not too tight. And this would be amazing with some thigh-high boots or some cute little ankle booties. Amazing. And what I got to pair with this is also the corset. So this is the corset that I got. It's brown with white stripe. Is zebra, is giving zebra. And this I also got in a medium, and I feel like this corset with this shorts is going to look absolutely amazing together. And you can pair this with like thigh-high boots, or you can do it with short ankle booties with some stocking and a nice big trench coat, and you have yourself a fit for the low. I got another pair of cargo pants, and this is how they look. The leg is more of a jogger style, and this is also in a large. This is not like thick heavy cargo material. It's kind of like what you would wear to work material, and I like that because I live in Florida and it doesn't get that cold, so I need to have like different levels of pants as far as thickness is concerned. So I like this. Like I was saying before, this thing cut off. The top that I got to go with this pants is this, and I think this is in collaboration with a black artist. I may be wrong, I may be right, but this and this pants together I feel like would make a nice casual look, which is why I got it. And I also feel like the corset and this would look amazing together also. So the last and final skirt I got is these. So the last and final thing I got from Shein is these cargo shorts, and these run super duper big. I got this in a small, and when I tell you it's big, it's big. So I definitely size down. If you're my size, get a small or extra small. But if you go on the website, they'll tell you that this runs extremely big. But I love the fact that the waist is adjustable, and you can also, let me see, and I love the bottom, that the bottom has this adjustable part also. So you know it's fall winter, you can't go wrong with a nice cargo skirt. I feel like this with the white top with some booties, some thigh-high boots, with some thigh-high boots would look absolutely amazing together. So let's get the few things that I got from Walmart. Florida is getting a little bit chilly, so I got this Fruit of the Loom top in a medium. And then I seen that they were, and then I seen that they were having a sale, and these underwear were $3, and I couldn't help myself. They have a nice little scrunch butt, which is why I got them, because a nice scrunch butt is going to make your booty look amazing. I've had some of these underwears before, and I will say that they don't last. So when I seen that they were on sale for $3, I grabbed them. Love them, and even though there are full bottoms, they are still sexy. And then I got this regular cotton underwear, and all of these are in a medium. And I will say, I'm probably going to do a Walmart fashion haul, because whoever is buying the clothes for Walmart, they need their pay raised, okay? They have significantly stepped up their game. So I went to Target and picked up some items. Let's see. So the girlies on TikTok were saying that these tops are dupes for the Aritzia rip top, and they were $5 at Target. So I picked them up. One is a crew neck, one is kind of like a low V-neck, this brown one. I feel like these are going to be staples in my wardrobe. Throw these on with some tights or some nice jeans and a cute bag and some cute accessories, and you're good to go. And then I also got these top right here. This is also a nice cute little staple. This is a nice peplum army green color top, and I got it from Target. It was so cute, I could not pass it up. That top with some skirt, a nice bodycon skirt or pants or tights or whatever, and you're gonna look cute and put together like you tried and you didn't. And then I saw this cute little linen number right here, this romper, and it's in an off-white color. I'm probably gonna wear this weekend to go see Black Panther. It's a nice little cute casual romper with the buttons going all the way up, and I love that it has some pockets. And then the last and final item is this skirt right here. I got it from Pink Plastic. It's a black owned brand, and this is a cargo skirt. I pay an absorbent amount of money for this because it was pre-ordered, and then after I pre-ordered it, I seen the same exact skirt and Walmart on walmart.com for a fraction of the price. But I love supporting black businesses, and if anyone's gonna rob me, I rather a black woman robbing me than these big white conglomerate own and run company. So I got that. It fits absolutely amazing. It's in a large, and their shipping was fast and concise, and I didn't wait long for my pre-order. They told you exactly when the item was going to ship off, which is what I love. So that is my cute little collective affordable haul from Shein, Walmart, and Target, and Pink Plastic also. And I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. And deuces.